Hi, good evening. This is Scott. I'm Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at United Airlines? This is ticker UAL. Now, UAL is up on a day when the rest of the market is down. Not so good today, but UAL holding up really nice here and showing some definite relative strength. And you can see how I've drawn this clear downward sloping trend line, clear resistance right there, right there, right there, right there. It broke above and did it today on pretty decent volume considering the rest of the market was not that great. So here's what I want to see from UAL. Ideally, we want to see a continuation of this move to the upside and a move through 53.40. Now, if I zoom out here to the weekly chart, you can see how that's a pretty key resistance level. That 53.40 zone was resistance back here, and now we're right close to it. So if we can get a move through and a close above that 53.40 level, this is making a weekly higher high and is definitely a stock we want to pay attention to. So this is one that's on our watch list over at StockMarketMentor.com. If you want to see what else we're looking at, click the link, take a trial, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.